I'm so tired of all desires, fighting shadows, fighting fires. Every moment, every day they come to pull my heart away. When the devil takes the lead, I fall into my darkest need. One wish fades, another grows. That's the way temptation flows. Tell me what this life should mean. I'm lost between the seen unseen, but seeking God is always right. His path is where I find my light. Yes, I slip, I'm only man, born of Adam as we began. Still I bow with humbled heart, asking God to cleanse my path. On a road of thorns I walk, not with cunning, not with talk. Sin can rust the softest heart, tear its fragile piece apart. But when I turn my face above, repent and call His name with love, my spirit finds its shine again. My soul grows clean of every stain. When Rahman's remembrance flows, a light upon my being glows. Make me, Lord, a servant true, not lost in things the world will do.